Hello students, today I am going to discuss about hybridization of elements involving d orbitals. For example, formation of PCl5. Hybridization is sp3 dehybridization. Okay, hybridization is sp3 dehybridization. Phosphorus atomic number is 15. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Okay, phosphorus ground state. Then 3s2, 3p3 is valence shell. So we can write phosphorus 15, 3s completely filled, 2, 3p according to Hund's rule half filled. Okay, 3s, 3p. Then next orbital is 3d. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3d. There are 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many half-filled orbitals here? 3. Okay, now here 5 chlorine. We know chlorine is atomic number 17. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Up to 3s2 completely filled. So 3p5 is important. 3p5 up to 3s2 completely filled. So up to 3s2 will not take part in bond formation. Let's see the condition of 3p5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, first 2 boxes are completely filled. So only one half filled. Only one half filled p orbital. Like this, how many chlorine? 5 chlorine. 5 chlorine means 5 half filled p orbitals are present. But here only 3 half filled. Okay, phosphorus contain only 3 half filled orbital, but 5 chlorine contain 5 half filled orbital. So it cannot make, phosphorus cannot make 5 PCl bond. Only 3 is possible. Only 3 can overlap with 3 chlorine and 3 can form 3 PCl. Okay, 5 is not possible. So what will do? Phosphorus will undergo excitation. Okay, phosphorus undergo excitation. Phosphorus excited state. What is excitation? Promotion of electron. Electron from 3s promote to 3d. One of the electron from 3s will promote to 3d. Now see the condition. 3s become half filled. 3p is already half filled. 1, 2, 3 half filled. Now one electron is present in the 3d. Now see how many half filled orbitals in phosphorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and chlorine also contain 5 half filled orbital. Now phosphorus can make 5 PCl bond. But before making bonding with the chlorine, phosphorus undergo hybridization. Okay, phosphorus undergo hybridization. What is mean by hybridization? Intermixing of atomic orbitals. Intermixing of atomic orbitals. Okay, 3s, 3p, 3d, their atomic orbitals undergo intermixing, and this process is called hybridization. What is the purpose of hybridization? Hybridization makes new set of orbital having same energy. Okay, how many orbitals undergo hybridization here? 1x, 3p, 1d. So the hybridization is called S3p, sp3, 1d, sp3d. Okay, here 5 atomic orbitals undergoing intermixing. So 5 atomic orbitals produce 5 new hybrid orbitals. So 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals will produce. Okay, and each hybrid orbitals have same energy. Okay, and this 5 new hybrid orbitals. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 new hybrid orbitals makes bond with the atomic orbital of each chlorine. How many chlorine? 5 chlorine. Okay, one of the sp3d hybrid orbital of phosphorus overlap with the atomic orbital of chlorine. Okay, phosphorus orbital is hybrid orbital, chlorine orbital is atomic orbital, and remaining sp3d hybrid orbitals also make bond with the remaining atomic orbitals of half-filled p orbitals of chlorine and form a shape, and the name of the shape is trigonal. Okay, this base is trigonal, then one pyramid above, second pyramid down, so trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, and these three bonds are called equatorial bonds, and these two are called axial bonds. Axial bonds make bond angle 90 degree with the equatorial bonds. Between equatorial bonds the bond angle is 120 degrees. So in this molecule there are two bond angles, 90 degree and 120 degree. Okay, clear? This is about the hybridization in PCl5. What is hybridization? sp3d hybridization. Okay, now we can fill electron here. 3x, this electron indicate electron from chlorine. Okay, 5 electrons from chlorine. Did you get it? This is about hybridization of PCl5, and PCl5 involve d orbitals. Hybridization involve d orbitals. Okay, the next example is formation of SF6. Hybridization is sp3d2. Okay, hybridization is sp3d2. Sulfur atomic number is 16, so the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. Okay, valence shell is 3s2, 3p4. So sulfur 16 ground state, 3s2, 3p4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 3s, 3p. Then we can draw 3d also. 3d, 1 2 3 4 5, 3d. Okay, then second element is fluorine. Atomic number is 9, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Okay, 1s2, 2s is completely filled. 2p5 1 2 3 4 5, so only one half filled orbitals in one fluorine. So how many fluorine here? 6 fluorine. So 6 fluorine contain 6 half filled p orbitals. Okay, I repeat, 6 fluorine contain 6 half filled p orbitals. Okay, here how many half filled orbitals? 2. Okay, 6 half filled orbitals from fluorine, but from sulfur only 2 half filled orbital, so it cannot make 6 sulfur fluorine bond. So what will happen? Sulfur undergo excitation. Okay, promotion of electron. Sulfur undergo excitation, excited state. Okay, and how the excitation? Electron from 3x promoted to 3d. Okay, one of the electron from 3s will promoted to 3d, and from 3p one electron will excited to 3d. Okay, like this. 3x, one electron shifted to 3d. From 3p also one electron. Okay, from the first box, 1 2 3. Okay, this electron shifted to 3d. So now how many electrons in 3d? 3d total 5 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5. One electron from 3s here, another electron from 3p here. Okay, according to Hund's rule, the half filled condition is more stable. So this is 3s, 3p, 3d. Now count how number of unpaired electron. Number of half filled electron. 1 2 3 4 5 6 half-filled electron present in excited state of sulfur. Okay, how many half-filled electrons in 6 fluorine? 6. So now it can make 6 sulfur fluorine bonds. Okay, before making bond with the fluorine, sulfur undergo hybridization, intermixing of atomic orbitals. Okay, intermixing of atomic orbitals. Here 1 3s 3 p orbital 2 d are undergoing intermixing, so the hybridization is called sp3d2 hybridization. Okay, what is the purpose of hybridization? Hybridization produce new hybrid orbital having equal energy. Okay, after intermixing of orbital, it produce new orbital having same energy. Okay, how many hybrid orbitals will form? 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals will form. Why 6? Because 6 atomic orbital 1s 3p 2d, 6 atomic orbitals undergoing hybridization, so 6 atomic orbitals produce 6 new hybrid orbitals having equal energy. Okay, and this 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals, okay, I repeat, this 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals will overlap with the 6 atomic orbital of fluorine, 6 p orbital of fluorine, and form an octahedral arrangement like this. Sulfur having 6 hybrid orbitals, it will overlap with the 6 atomic orbitals of fluorine and form octahedral shape, octahedral geometry, octahedral. Okay, clear? Then sulfur excited state now, okay, and this indicate electron from fluorine. Okay, how many fluorine? 6 fluorine. Okay, each fluorine donate, each fluorine can give 1 half-filled electrons. Okay, so this blue color indicate fluorine, 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 fluorine. Okay, then form SF6. Clear? Okay, and this indicate electrons from fluorine atom, and the hybridization in SF6 is, what is hybridization in SF6? sp3d2 hybridization.